man's birthday. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Celeste.
And I'm Andrew. And we're in the process of turning our van into a home on wheels, of course. What else are you supposed to do with them? And in this video, we put up our ceiling.
Shout out to a follower who left a comment. Mickey, thank you. We went to Home Depot and got majority of the wood that we use for the ceiling already cut for us.
Our goal is to make it as cheap as we could, save money obviously. So we used 1/4 inch sand plywood, pretty lightweight. It's also not super expensive. About to drill some holes for the puck lights using a 2 1/4 inch hole dozer. Not good for me. This is not good lighting for my eyes. I'm gonna sand the slats, then we're gonna stain the slats, then we're gonna screw the slats. Just kidding, we're probably gonna glue the slats, but just had to throw another S in there. Yeah, ceiling's gonna come out real nice. We're just waiting for some more electrical components to come in, and then that'll be wired up pretty good. So we're moving along pretty quickly right now. Heading into the new year, we're looking to be in a pretty good spot to finish this, hopefully on time. So we'll see.
So I got these pieces painted, the side that's going to be facing down on the ceiling, and then polyurethane the other side. To go coffee.
Cheers.
Down, 1,000 to go. Not 1,000, but feels like it. Upgraded and brought the table out. Finally got through one can, on to the next. This baby got us through so much though, almost all of it. We just need to do second layers on these last bits. Milo, check it out. It's gonna be your future ceiling, guys. Future ceiling over there. Don't mind the cat talk. It's hard not to. Milo is literally wondering who I'm talking to. Who is this woman talking to? Oh my god, it's a cat party. Cat party, cat party. Oh, I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry. Did not like that.
wood glued the slats to the panels that we had pre-cut and had to wait for for that to dry properly. So, you know, with dry times and everything, it makes the process take a little bit longer.
It's this man's birthday. Ooh. And what are we doing?
Band work.
Maybe we'll grab a little dinner or something.
Well, we'll grab a little something eventually. You know, we got work to do. We got time to work, so gotta use it. It's what I want to do anyway, so.
All right. Second panel.
Talking to go.
Before. This is like our first build ever, so obviously we don't expect it to be perfect. We're really easygoing people, so the outcome is pretty perfect for us.
Yeah, we were stoked on it.
Yeah.
That's all that really matters at the end of the day. So like we said initially, you know, our goal is to do it as cheap as possible, and all materials pretty much included. It came out to just under 200 bucks.
So if you're looking for a cheap ceiling idea, this may be for you.
Yep.
What a way to wrap up this video with some cat cuddles.
Yep.
So,
If you like Milo, you should like and subscribe.
yeah. Thank you for watching.
We appreciate it.
Yes, and we will see you next week.
We better see you next week.
We better see you next week. Just kidding.
All is well.
If you like Milo, like and subscribe.
If you don't like Milo, like and subscribe.